the South Goa Advocates Association has made a representation to the Law Minister, the Chief Secretary and the South Goa Member of Parliament in respect of three aspects. The first being of inadequate staff, which as a result of which, in the courts, as a result of which lawyers, litigants and including the judicial officers are facing immense pressure while carrying out their day-to-day function. With regards to the second ground is the inadequate parking that the new building has been approved with. We have made a representation to the Law Minister to kindly take measures to increase the number of parking for the new court building. Because as you see, even today, we face a lot of problems while parking at the present court building. The new building, which is just about 5 meters away from the main junction, has been approved with only 18 car park. Now, as you all know, that there are hundreds of people, lawyers and litigants who visit the court premises on a day-to-day basis. So therefore, we are making a representation to the South. We have made a representation to the Law Minister, the MP South Goa and the Government of Goa to immediately take steps and to find a solution to this problem. The third issue that we face is regarding the setting up of an administrative tribunal for the South Goa district. Now, the Goa Administrative Tribunal Act provides for the setting up of a tribunal in the South Goa district. That is Section 3 of the Act provides for it. But since 2009, no tribunal has been set up. As a result of which, lawyers, litigants have to travel all the way from remote, more particularly from remote areas of Kanpon, Kurchore, Sangye, Darbandara, all the way to Panjim, resulting in a lot of waste of time and huge expenditure for the litigant. Now, the other issue that we would like to bring up is regarding the streamlining of revenue codes. You all are aware that we had a meeting with the Revenue Minister. We appreciate the Revenue Minister for taking cognizance of our last press conference, where we had alleged large-scale corruption in the Revenue Department.